हेलो। गुड इवनिंग।
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Let us wait for other candidate.
Other candidate వస్తున్నారా అండి? హలో చంద్ర గారు ఎవరు జాయిన్ అవ్వట్లేదు అనుకుంటా ఇవాళ.
హలో
యా ఎవరు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు కదా, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 12:44 అయిపోయింది. 15 మినిట్స్ అయింది.
మేబీ ఫ్రైడే ఆర్ ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్. ఓకే ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ షేరింగ్ మై స్క్రీన్.
ఓకే.
సో డిడ్ యూ కంప్లీట్ దట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ స్టూడియో SQL server
యా
and all?
యా ఐ డిడ్.
Is it working?
ఎస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వర్కింగ్.
Okay.
హలో చంద్ర గారు, ఐ క్యాంట్
Yes.
హియర్ యూ.
Yes, Deepa.
అదే ఏమి వినిపించట్లేదు, ఏమైనా చెప్తున్నారా అనేసి.
ఇంకా మొదలు పెట్టలేదు, ఇప్పుడే ఓపెన్ చేశాను. Yeah, yeah. వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడుతూ
ఓకే.
ఉన్నాను ఇప్పుడు దాకా. ఓకే
ఆహా.
మీ కన్సల్టెంట్స్తో. ఓకే
ఓకే ఓకే. ఏమన్నారు వాళ్ళు?
ఓకే. ఈరోజు అయితే అతను రావట్లేదు అన్నారు.
ఓకే ఫైన్.
ఓకే, let us discuss about set operations today. So do you remember what are the set operations in mathematics?
సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆపరేషన్స్.
Set operations.
యా యూనియన్,
Yeah.
ఇంటర్సెక్షన్.
A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. So what is A union B? Any idea?
A union B is A, B and the common elements.
All elements of A and all elements of B.
Yeah.
So let us take one example. So as per this example, what is A union B?
11, 20, 14, 2, 10, 15, 30.
All elements from A, all elements from B. Correct? All elements from A and all elements from B. Is this A union B?
No, that 2 and 10 are duplicates, so it will only bring one.
Union will avoid the duplicates. So what is A intersection B?
2 and 10. Common elements.
Yeah. What is A minus B?
All elements in A without duplicates. 11, 20, 14.
Yeah. Minus B means we have to remove the B related elements, right?
Right.
Elements in A which are not part of B. B minus A means all elements in B which are not part of
15, 30.
Yeah. Okay. So for all these operations, we have SQL operators also. For union, in SQL also we have union. For intersection, in SQL we have intersect. For A minus B, we have except. B minus A, we have except. Okay. And also we have additional operator in SQL like that is
Union all.
So the difference between union and union all is union will avoid the duplicates. Union all will keep the
All will bring everything. Yeah.
Okay. All these operations we can apply on the database tables also. Instead of set A, set B, we can apply on table A, table 1, table 2. Suppose let's have a customer table. So what do we represent in the, what do we represent as a set? Is a set element representing a column or row? Set elements are rows or columns? Columns, huh?
Elements are columns.
Actually, every set element is a row. And all set operations union intersection are row operations.
Okay.
But row is very big, right? Left to right, row will be very big. We cannot represent the entire row in the diagram. So, if you write customer ID 3 means, here if you write customer, suppose element 11 means, it is representing entire row with ID 11. We cannot represent the entire row. We will just represent with the ID value. Okay. So every element is a row. All set operations are row operations. So I have tables, many tables in this database. Can I apply set operations on a union, for example? Can I apply union operation on any two tables?
No, you can't do. Because for the union, both the tables should have same data types.
The columns and data types should match.
Yeah.
In both tables, the columns and data types should be matched. So we cannot apply customer and sales table. We cannot apply union because customer data is totally different. It will
From
have
the sales
the
data.
first name, last name, email ID, mobile number and all. This will have
Yeah.
product, quantity, price and all. So we cannot, there is no meaning in combining both this data.
Correct. Correct.
So for practicing purpose, I created some tables with the same structure.
Yeah.
So can I apply table 1, union table 2 like this? So you can look at the columns and data types. Actually, it is the same table structure I copied and created as a header too. So sales order ID, revision number, order date, integer, tiny integer, same structure.
Yeah.
I created another table like this. So can I apply table 1 union table 2 for these two tables?
You can. Yeah.
Actually, it is not the table names, table 1, table 2. We have to give select query 1 and select query 2.
Correct. Union is a select query.
Okay. So how many records are there in first table? Let us run only first line. 10 rows. In second table, 32 rows.
So it will get 42 rows.
Yeah, union always you will get 32 plus
Get
10,
everything.
42 rows.
Yeah.
Even duplicates also it will keep as it is.
Hmm.
Similarly, you can apply other operations also like union. How many records we will get for union?
For union, it's tough to say because we get for sure 10. 10. Wait.
No,
No,
42, 42 minus whatever is the duplicates.
whatever are the duplicates, correct.
32. 10 duplicates are there. So we got 32.
Okay. Yeah.
So intersection.
For intersection, whatever, 10. We only get the duplicates.
10 rows. Yeah. Similarly, minus operation.
Yeah, A minus B 0.
Yeah, because that is a part of this table.
Yeah.
So A minus will be 0. So if A minus B is 0, can we say both are equal?
No.
there may be some extra elements in P. We can
22.
confirm that no extra elements in A.
Yeah.
With B minus A, we got some records. So
22.
how can we check whether both tables are same or not using the set operations?
If we do minus, if we get 0, A minus B, B minus A, both, if we come 0, then they both are same.
That is what ETL testers will do every day.
Okay.
Do you know about ETL testing?
No, I don't know.
So there will be a source table and a destination table. So the tester's job is to compare the both source and destination tables and check whether both are same or not. So they will be doing A minus B and B minus A. Okay.
Yeah.
And so what is the prerequisite for applying set operations? Is it
Set operation, they both have to be same data type tables.
So is it necessary for all data types to should be same?
Yeah.
Because we are using select star for this query, all data types should be matched. If you select only few columns, because we are not giving table 1 union table 2, we are using query 1 union query 2. So that purely depends on the query.
Okay.
So if I have only 3 columns in select query, other columns need not match. There can be different data types in other columns. Only if 3 columns data types are matching, this union query will work. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever we are using, taking in select query, those columns data types should be matched.
Okay.
Still. Suppose, yeah. So column names should be same or can be different. Suppose in first table, we have sales ID like this. In second table, sales order ID, something like this. Can we apply union?
It should be same, I guess. The column name should be same. Yeah, it should be same.
Names need not be same.
Names. No, not needed. Okay.
Both are integer data types only. SQL will check strictly. Okay. Column names need not be same.
Okay. But in the result query, sorry, in the result, What do we get the column name as?
First one. Whatever is
Okay.
there in the first query. Okay.
Mhm.
Next. So if we have a customer table like this. So if I don't want all data, if I want first 3 records or first 4 records in the data, what is the command? Top 3 star. It will fetch first 3 records in the data. But this top 3 will be changed as per the where conditions or order by conditions, where conditions. The top 3 may be varying. Suppose if you apply some where filter, where first name equal to Lucy, first name equal to Janet. So if you have a where filter like this, if you apply top 3, it will be picking up top 3 from this. After this filtering, it will select the top 3. This top 3 is different. And also, if you apply order by also, it will be top 3 will be different. Okay. So you can compare, if you compare all three results, three queries are returning three different top three. You can select multiple queries and you can run like this. All are returning different records. Okay. Next. What is in class? So like this, if I want to fetch data related to multiple employees, multiple customers, I have to write, where is the table? R first name equal to Orlando. Okay. So instead of writing so many conditions, first name equal to Lucy, first name equal to Janet, Orlando, we can write in using in class. Using in class, you can specify a list of names with a comma separated. Using a comma separated list. Correct? Like this.
Yeah, I know I used this one. I was talking on mute.
Oh, okay, okay. So I think today's class, you already know it.
Yeah, yeah.
You can skip these things.
We can skip those things actually.
So if we have a short way, short alternative, still do we need R class or we don't need R class, right? If we still have in class.
If we have in class, do we need our class?
Yeah, if we have a
No, no,
short
no, no. In is for like say to get the condition for the same type for one column.
single column, yeah.
Yeah.
Here you can write conditions on all the columns,
Yes.
any
Correct.
columns. Okay.
Right. Yes.
So if you want to fetch a range of values, example, if you want to fetch data for, so customer ID 3 to 10. So you can use a between class.
Hmm.
It will fetch all customers related data between 3 and 10, including 3 and 10. Okay. Next, let us take a product table.
Product?
Product table.
Okay.
So audio, are you listening clearly? Any audio clarity problem?
No.
Good audio.
Yeah, I can hear.
So in this table, we have multiple products which are similar. That means, see, road frame related, we have 2 products. Helmet related, we have 3 products. Like that. Multiple, maybe different colors, different sizes. Okay. Road frame, not 2. See here in the bottom, there are many different colors and sizes. So if I want a particular product related data, we know, right? We have to use a where class.
Yeah.
That already where name equal to, let's collapse all this. Name equal to mountain bike service. Okay. So if I want to get all bike related products related data, all bike related products data, can I use only bike like this? Will it get all bike related products? No. Equal to, what is equal to meaning?
You have to use the
X.
wild card.
Equal to looks for exact word match.
Match, yeah.
You have to use a
Ampersand.
percentage
Percentage symbol.
and like class.
Okay.
What does it mean? Bike percentage means in the product name, starting word should be bike.
Correct.
And after bike, there can be any character.
Anything. Yeah.
Like this.
Yes.
So in this
But
name,
we can use that ampersand at the front or the back, right?
yes.
That percentage symbol.
Yes. Yeah. Ampersand you might have seen in other language, C sharp. Or did you use C sharp?
No. I used Java.
Okay. Yes. So percentage bike means the last word should be bike, and before bike there can be any characters.
Can we use percentage front and back?
Yes. Both also we can use.
So it gets all the products that have the bike.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you give two percentages in beginning and ending, bike can be in the middle, in the beginning, in the ending, anywhere
Right.
like that. So if I have columns like this, if I want to display right side, if I want to display high price or medium price based on some conditions. If price is greater than or equal to 2,500, I want to display high price. If price is greater than or equal to 1,000, I want to display medium price. If price is less than 1,000, I want to display low price. Okay. So how can I display like this? In right side, one more column, high price, medium price. How can we display? Based on the condition. Huh?
Alias.
Okay, how can we give that?
List price as. No, you have to write separate where conditions, I
Yeah,
guess.
not where condition. Where condition is for rows filtering. So we have to write a case statement.
Okay.
Between case and end, you can write any number of conditions.
Between case and okay.
When list price is greater than or equal to 2,500, then high price. List price is greater than or equal to 1,000, then low price, medium price. Greater than or equal to 100 and between, right? Greater than or equal to 1,000 and less than less than 2,500, then medium price. So you know Java, Deepa?
I know Java.
Then these are all nothing, right?
I mean,
Python also,
okay.
even leave about Python, simple tool like Power BI also, some people, not all people, some people will struggle to learn. But
Oh,
if you know one programming,
okay.
anything is easy.
Yeah.
That's why even Python also we learned in no time, because already We are.
I know the concepts.
have
Yeah, I
experience
know. I have used it. Java, I have
C,
used,
C, C++.
but very basic level of Java.
Okay, okay, okay. Even then, at least some benefit you will have.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
If
And
you
first of
did,
all, my grasping also really high actually.
if you did 3, 4 projects in Java, this and all, nothing for you. Yeah.
No, no, no. Actually, I'm a QA person. I
Okay,
used it for automation.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Not for development.
No.
So,
Automation development, I used it.
okay, okay. So if price is less than 1,000, then we can display low price. Is this clear?
Yeah.
So can we do any simplification? Can we write these conditions in more simple way?
I don't know. I don't think so.
So how do we execute these conditions? Suppose take this value 3,500 high price.
Uh-huh.
So how it is executed? It will go through the first condition greater than 2,500. So it displayed high price, correct?
Yeah.
So after that, what will happen? Will it go through second condition, third condition and all?
Uh-huh. Yeah. It will still go, I guess, right now.
No, no. If one condition is matched, it will not
Uh-huh.
even read the remaining conditions. It will
Okay.
simply skip.
Okay. Okay.
So when it will read the second condition,
If the first is not matched.
if first condition failed. If first
Okay.
condition failed, what is the meaning? It is less than 2.5. If first
Okay.
condition failed and less than 2.5, then only it will read the second line. You need to
Okay.
again write this condition.
Okay.
Obviously, it is less than 2.5.
Okay.
Okay. And what else we can simplify? It will give same result without that condition also. Next.
Yeah.
And why it is saying no column name? Because this is not the column in the table.
Correct. Correct. We are giving the.
Calculated something. So we have to give the title as okay. And anything we can simplify in the conditions?
I don't think so. I'm not sure actually.
The last condition we need not write. You can use a default.
Okay. Anything that's yeah. Else, okay.
Low
Makes
price.
sense. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So practice it. We will meet in the next
Okay.
class.
Okay. Sure.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.